morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 28th of August. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today, the final Friday of the month, the final Friday of meteorological summer as well, as we head through the rest of the weekend and we begin September next week. Also back to school as well, heading into Labor Day weekend next weekend. It's late this year. So I want to start with the fact that we have Tropical Storm Dolly. It's just kind of interesting that we have a tropical storm out there named Dolly, of course, after the passing of Dolly Parton earlier this week. It is purely a coincidence. The names here are set in stone years in advance. Number 4 would be the D. So this name is going into the books. And the storm just doesn't look like it's going to be anything more than some beneficial rain for some of the islands east of Puerto Rico, and then perhaps the rains next week over some of the islands. It's been dry down there, so they could use the rain, actually. It's just a bunch of windy thunderstorms. Shouldn't be any damage or anything like that. Here, we have lots of tropical humidity. Dew points in the 70s this morning for some of us, or we'll be going into the 70s, depending on what time you're listening to this. Temperatures this afternoon in the low to mid 80s. Partly sunny skies. There might be a shower or thunderstorm. As we head for tonight, a few clouds around, temperatures down to the 60s. Dew points will fall back late at night. And tomorrow's a nice day, mostly sunny, low 80s. Sunday, mostly sunny, mid 80s. Humidity comes back Sunday night. And then Monday and early next week looks partly sunny. There may be some showers developing with more cloud cover sort of in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, but that's a ways away. I don't want to stick anything on that in terms of permanence. But one thing I don't see is any real big cooling in sight. The September outlook right now looks warmer than average, but that would hold because we have El Nino. Have a great weekend, everybody.